wonder where she is bound. I broke her heart and made her cry. Now I'm alone, so all alone. What can I do? What can I do? There goes my baby.
What's up, guys? We're here in the shop, and today we're headed out to Dan's Lawnmower in Rialto, California. We've talked to them about them in videos in the past. Actually, when we got our little Honda rototiller fixed, they're the ones who got it all lined up and adjusted for us. So today we're going out there. See, they're running a special right now, and we've needed a new tool. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is yet. I'm going to do a product review on it, more or less tell you all about it, and then later on throughout the week we're going to be testing this product out and see if it's actually all that it's said to be. I will give you this. It is an Echo product. Now, you know, we use a lot of Echo here at Outcast, so this new product is going to speed up it's literally going to cut our time in half when it comes to a certain aspect of the mowing and blowing world that we are in, and that's something that we're pretty excited about. I'm excited to show you guys when I get it back here into the shop. We're gonna head out here in a minute. Of course, we'll have to have our masks and everything on due to the virus. Okay, this is kind of becoming the new norm now. You can see that. I don't even know how good the bandana is. I don't know, but we're gonna get out there. We'll pick up the new tool and we'll bring it back here. We'll do a product review, overall look over on it. And then when we head out this week, we'll put it to the test and see if it does everything it's supposed to do. So stay tuned. We'll be back here before you even know it and continue with this video. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in a minute. So you can see we're at Dan's Lawnmower. This place is great. They've got a lot of inventory. Check them out. I'll post all their information. What's up, guys? Well, you saw we went to Dan's Lawnmower shop in Rialto. It's a good place. I didn't do a lot of filming in there because I don't really know if what their policy is on it. I usually ask before I'll do filming somewhere, or like if I'm at a car show or something, I try not to, like, you know, get like I'm a CIA agent getting everybody's faces and all that. So but yeah, it was cool. Showed you a little bit of their inventory. Like I said, they're in Rialto, California. They're running a special right now on their Echo equipment. So we got their flyer in the mail. Happened to be in the market for a new tool. I haven't told you what it is yet. We're going to get there. We're on our way back to the shop right now. Partner Mike's pumping gas. And yeah, we'll get down there. He's a little anxious to try it. So by the time I do the video, it might have a little mud on it already, but that's okay. And so we'll get back over to the shop. We're going to go around the corner and do a rose bed. Maybe I'll do a little filming on that. We're going to clear out a little rose planter and then head back home. And tomorrow and the next day we'll be out doing full days, getting everybody caught up. It rained all last week, and we didn't get a chance to go out. So everybody's overgrown, and it's bright, sunny, beautiful here. So we're going to get going on that. And we'll see you guys here in a little bit when we get back to the shop. Thanks a lot. All right, guys, I'm sure you can hear it over there. We're going to go over here with partner Mike and check out the new tool we got. It's the new Echo weed eater that just came out.
Oh no, through the farm. I gotta have something more.
Yeah, head out back. There's some thicker stuff, bud. Watch out for dog shit. This has got a 4 times bigger motor than the other one. It's got a gear reduction. We'll go over all that. Wowie.
That thing doesn't do nothing except eat.
Out here in the Outcast junkyard, and you can see it needs trim, so partner Mike's tearing it up. That's the new Echo, the 320T with the gear reduction. Wow. It's got a speed head on it. Wow, it's a dog shit slinger. Well, when there's that many piles, yeah. Thanks to wherever she's at. Wow, look at that thing, dude. And you might think, well, that's like every other weed eater. No, if I brought my other weed eater out here right now and tried to cut through some of this right now, it'd be bogging down. And I mean, it would do it, but it would be wanting to rip the machine out of your hands. Look at that action.
It doesn't even phase it.
Is it a good deal? Was it worth it?
It doesn't slow down. It just. I can't imagine if you ran it full blast. Hard on string.
So you're saying it needs some thicker material?
Huh?
So if it goes through that, then we're good.
No. It's like this doesn't even exist.
Wow. So it's like the grass doesn't even exist. It's literally. Look at that. Effortless motion down to the dirt. Wow, guys. I'm gonna put the camera.
Take it right into the dirt.
Let's get a little angle on that. That's crazy.
Watch this.
Well, here, go ahead and do that whole area. Let's get a close-up on the engine one time. SRM 3020T. Make sure you get the T model. It's got the gear reduction in it. And it can run the fatter string as well. Partner Mike in action. Wow. He's running it only at like half throttle right now too, so you can imagine full speed what this baby will do. Looking good. We'll see you guys here in a little bit.
That's the baddest weed eater on the planet right there.
Okay, so here it is. Here's the new tool. Like we said, it's an Echo. We went down there, Dan's lawnmower shop. You guys seen that? Then you've seen Partner Mike in action trying it out. It's got the bigger motor. Now they do have this same SRM 3020, but without the T. And it's not a reduction gear motor. So for every revolution that the engine makes, it's 2 revolutions down on that end. The other one, it's just a 1-to-1 ratio like your standard weed eater would be. You can see they went with like an upgraded style grip. It has like a rubber coating on it, the typical ignition and trigger on and off switch. It's obviously 2-stroke. It's got a lot bigger engine than our other one has on it. It's the more modern high performance. This one also has a speed head, which means it's easier to load the string. You basically just cut your piece of string, say 10 foot long. You feed it all the way through till the 2 ends are even, and then you just wind it up. And everything kind of clicks in there. Standard adjustable handle. You loosen the bolts and spin it around. Yeah. Looking good. Take you over here and kind of show you some of the action that we got out of it. You can see we washed it off after, trying to keep it new, trying to make everything look good, trying to keep it fresh for you guys. Come out here to the junkyard. Here's where a piece of plywood was sitting, and then here's where he did the weed eater action. So you can see it takes it all the way down. Now the only thing we'd have to do is either come back and rake that out, or if it's like a big field, you'll just chop all of it down to as low as you can and let it just die out and decompose. One of our bigger properties that we do, the whole backyard is now probably at least a foot tall. So we're gonna be going out there and weed whacking the hell out of it later this week. me and partner Mike, side by side, Weed Eater boys. The Weed Eater 2020 action guys. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like that review. Like I said, it's the Echo, the 3020T. It's the rotary gear reduction motor, the bigger motor, 2-stroke. And Echo's actually running in a special right now in our area, at least through Dan's lawnmower shop in Rialto they are. And the only reason I advertise for them is because they have really good service. They have a really good selection of equipment. Olivia over there, she's super cool. She helps us out. We have an account there now because that's probably at least a 20-30 minute drive from where we're at, and we go all the way there. All the local lawnmower shops in the area, everything's you got to order it, or they don't have it, or they don't deal with that anymore. I don't know, or they just want to do repair. They don't have any new stuff, that type of thing. So you can see behind me, we still got the trailer project going. Go back into my channel, hit subscribe, follow the videos on that. We're gonna get it uncovered when we get home this afternoon and start cleaning it up. We're actually waiting on a new sandblaster. So we're gonna get a sandblasting demo and review video coming up here pretty soon in the next week. So stay tuned guys, hit subscribe, and thanks again.